Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you guys are doing order of operations for a review this week. So I'm noticing a lot in order of operations that we are not following the steps and we are not showing our work, okay? So remember that the order of operations says we should do parentheses first, then exponents. Okay, then we should do multiplication and division left to right. Oops, division, and that should be left to right, okay? So going that way. Then addition and subtraction, again, just like multiplying and dividing, left to right, okay? All right, so again, you should be showing all of your work. This should not be done on a calculator. You should show each step. All right, so let's start with, let's go to number 7, all right? So we have parentheses, 14 plus 6, in parentheses, minus 12 divided by 4, and then square whatever we get from that, okay? So start with your parentheses on the most inside. So you're gonna do 14 plus 6. Well, 14 plus 6 is gonna give me 20, minus, here I'm gonna get 12 divided by 4. Well, 12 divided by 4 is 3, but then I have this little 2, which means I'm gonna square that answer, okay? So again, this is still all in the big parentheses. My next step would be I'm going to do my exponent, so 3 squared, which means 3 times 3. So I'm gonna end up with 20 minus 3 times 3 is 9. All right, 20 minus 9, my answer gives me 11. Okay. All right, let's look at, let's jump down to number 10, 2 exponents there. All right, so again, we're gonna start with our parentheses, our innermost parentheses, so we're gonna do 11 minus 4. All right, 11 minus 4 gives me 7. And I'm still gonna keep that in parentheses because I got that little 2, which means squared. Keep my outside, plus 6 plus 2 squared. All right, so now I'm gonna do inside my parentheses this 7 squared. So 7 squared means I'm gonna do 7 times 7. So I have in parentheses now 7 times 7, which is 49, plus 6, plus 2 squared. All right, 49 plus 6 is in parentheses, so that's my next step. So 49 plus 6, I get 55 plus 2 squared. All right, so now I'm gonna do my exponents because I'm no longer having any parentheses. So 2 squared is 4. So I'm gonna do 55. Remember, 2 squared is 2 times 2. So then I got 55 plus 4, which gives me an answer of 9. Okay. So again, see how I show every step, and until I get rid of everything, I don't get rid of my parentheses, okay? And I work my way down. All right, let's do one more. Let's do number 4. How about number 4, okay? So again, parentheses, 6 squared plus parentheses, 8 divided by 4, plus 3 squared, parentheses, parentheses. All right, inside the most parentheses, we're gonna go to here. Inside those parentheses, we wanna do exponents first, so 3 squared. So 3 squared means 3 times 3. All right, I bring down what I haven't used, parentheses. 6 squared plus parentheses, 8 divided by 4, plus 3 times 3 is 9. All right, end parentheses. All right, so still in here, so we're gonna do division first, right? Because division comes before addition. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So we're gonna bring down 6 squared plus parentheses, 2 plus 9, parentheses, parentheses. All right, still inside those parentheses, we're gonna do 2 plus 11, which will finish that set of parentheses. So, I said 2 plus 11. Should have been 2 plus 9, which is equal to 11, sorry. So we would get 11. Now we're done with those parentheses. So I just have my outside parentheses and 6 squared plus 11. So now we're gonna do inside those, which means I gotta do exponents first. So 6 squared, which is 6 times 6. And I'm running out of room, so I'm gonna go over here. So equals, and we're gonna go this way. So 6 times 6, I get 36 in our outside parentheses plus 11. Well, 36 plus 11, 6 plus 1 is 7, and 1 plus 3 is 4, so my answer is 47. Okay, step by step, guys. Make sure you start in your innermost parentheses and work your way out. When you're in the parentheses, you follow these steps. Exponents, multiply and divide left or right, and then add and subtract left or right. All right, so you got 7 problems to complete on your own. Good luck.